Mr. President, the respectable audience, let me today, on the eve of Kashmir Day, draw your attention to the plight our Kashmiris brethren. Hearken to the shots of bullets, crackles of clubs, fire sounds of explosions, screams of children, sighs of mothers, and silenced voices of resistance against oppression. Mr. President, for more than 70 years have our fellow Muslims been denied their right to be sovereign. 70 years, Mr. President. In these 7 decades, they have made countless sacrifices. Countless mothers have lost their sons. Enough blood of their beloved people has been spilled until now. Nevertheless, the struggle goes on. My honor, Kashmiris have done what they could, but the history brings to light the questions. O Pakistanis, what have you done for your fellows, Kashmiris? They have suffered for a long, just because of the demand for annexation of Pakistan. What have you given in return? Mr. President, we need to revive our conscience, awake our senses, and follow the call to action. This day should not merely be commemorative day. It should be the day of allegiance, the day of pledging allegiance to the cause. Kashmir will never be sovereign, Mr. President, unless we get to fix the internal cracks in Muslim Ummah, unless the sectarian fire is extinguished, unless our Muslims stakeholders take pain for Kashmiris, unless the Kashmir dispute is voiced well in the international community, unless the world come to know the heinous atrocities of so-called democratic India in Kashmir over 70 years, unless we are united, unless we are devoted. Let's make a vow to God, to our conscience, to our blood for surfacing the Kashmir issue with all zeal and zest. With the immense hope, independence will dawn upon the beautiful valley, and our fellow Kashmiris will have a peaceful and prosperous life. As Faiz Ahmad Faiz writes, and we oppressed beneath our feet will have this earth shiver, shake and beat, and heads of rulers will be struck with crackling lightning and thunder roars. Indian throne will soon be reduced to ashes. Kashmir will be ours. Pakistan Zindabad.